we are here at DMTX, Delhi Machine Tool Expo. This is second time we are coming. We're rather thrilled to be in the North Indian area, and there's a big business and we have huge expectations from this exhibition. We're the manufacturers of tool discs and tool holders for CNC lathe, CNC turning center, CNC terminal center with any kind of turret, BOT, BMT, VDI axial, VDI radial. Okay, where do you find any lathe? For example, this is a CNC lathe, simple. This has a turret has a folder. So where there is a turret, Sphoorti is there. That means any machine, any lathe, any turret, Sphoorti can give tool holder. So it is globally required. Domestic, almost all machine tool companies, their distributors, users, everywhere. So if you see a machine with turret, Sphoorti is there. This is our thumb rule. And varieties. For example, any tool holder has two types. One is static, another is live holders, rotary holders. We have many of the static holders like this, boring tool holder, turning and facing holder, a bar puller, a very economical way of first degree of automation. Then we have live tool holders like this, live tool holders. This is called 0 degree live tool holder. This is an angular live tool holder. We can vary this. Then we have 90 degree holder. So we have various combinations. This is a VDI. This is a BMT, 0 degree, 90 degree. So all kinds of tool holders which go into CNC terminal center are available with Sphoorti. So, and we are exporting to almost all countries, US, Canada, China, Taiwan, Europe, everywhere. And we are well connected. And half of our turnover is exports. That's a pride thing which Sphoorti would like to underline always. And if you see, there is another holder which is newly launched. This is an angular milling head for vertical machining centers, which we introduced during last DMTX. And in this, all variants with different shanks are available, BTs, CHSK, SK, BBT, all holders. So you name your machine with taper, what taper you have, we give the whole set with the locking nut. So this is a wonderful attachment for any vertical milling operations where you need to do small horizontal operations, which you have to do it on other HMC, or you need to do reach some deep holes and all, you can do with this and all. So like this, we have also introduced another thing called gear hobbing holders. And we also have different varieties in machining centers. We have also introduced slotting head. We have not displayed here, but we introduced a slotting head, angular milling head, and gear hobbing unit. So these are the various kinds. So you can see Sphoorti anywhere in the world, on any turret, any CNC lathe, any machine, we are there.